It's almost 3 o'clock. We need to go. We slept in, went to the pool. I'm feeling a little better. Don't want to jinx it though. And we're on our way to Animal Kingdom.
I'm trying to do my hair.
Chop chop. Mama. Mama. All the people coughing. Peps. Peps.
Is this the first time they've done the different languages and the different colors like that?
No, they usually have a different color on top.
Yeah, but not like the whole
thing. Yeah, that might be different.
So y'all want to sit like a coordination show?
Come on.
No, I'm assuming 10,000 steps later.
I was going to say it was a goat.
Oh, we're slumming it in the standby. Look at all the Animal Kingdom swag. There's like another cup too.
Yeah, I'm a Simba cup.
What are we getting? Bumba.
Bumba.
Look at him. Put him up here. Let's get a tour.
A tour of the popcorn bucket.
Tour of the Pumba. There's a bug on him.
He has a bug on him. You better eat that bug, Pumba.
Animal Kingdom 25 on the strap. Does his butt open up?
His head.
Bag. It's a nice hole.
Popcorn hole.
Popcorn hole. Little tail. And then I got the little canteen. Cups on your belt. Okay, with a big old drink. Well, they're not monkeys, but they're baby ducks. Bum bum. It does smell good. We're trying something new.
Smells good.
Bum bum. So many choices.
So many choices.
Yes. Anywho, I think I'm gonna get this pork belly lettuce wrap thing. Kind of Korean. And I love pork belly. I don't know if this is like a special thing. Yeah, like if that's normal stuff. We also got this spicy watermelon cucumber drink. Let's see how that is. And then did you look at this dessert? I'm not usually a dessert person, but fresh pineapple and cream cheese wontons, vanilla ice cream, honey vanilla drizzle.
There won't be no room.
Nah, probably not. I need like one.
Yeah, really.
Not a whole plate.
Complimentary one at the end of your meal.
Maybe we'll get a fortune cookie. Egg roll party. I love me some egg roll, let me tell you. You still can't decide what you want.
No. I feel like asking
For a recommendation?
our waitress that has had everything on the menu apparently.
I mean, you know what stuff is.
I know, but look how fancy.
It's a fun little cup. Let's see what kind of kick this thing's got.
Does it smell peppery?
No. I was waiting for some heat, but I didn't get any. Because you do taste it.
You do taste it. It's like drinking jalapeno.
I feel like we need to stir it.
It's good though. Yeah, I don't get the heat, just the flavor.
Mm-hmm. It's crazy.
I like it.
Did you hear say you want a, like, what's it called? A rim?
Oh, yeah.
I was like, no, don't you dare.
Give her the tahini.
Yeah. Holy food. Look at this craziness. Craziness.
Too much.
Yeah. Get that ginger and that wasabi out of there. Ugh.
I like both of those, actually.
Ew. Oh, we dropped a 40. Time check. 6:46. It's like deja vu.
I see people.
You see people.
Yeah.
Are they walking though? No, they're standing. Well, it won't be a walk on, but pretty good.
Prepare systems for the next group.
Oh my god, it's chaos out there.
I'm looking number 3 again.
Are you?
Yeah.
You want number 2?
You were towards the outside last time.
We need you to enter the room and stand on your assigned number.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm on 70.
Like, what are the
More on studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation.
Now it's time to shop.
Now there's half as many people in here.
Hey, hey.
They still got candles.
Photo frame. That's not the hat that was at the outlet. I bought that bag. Is that the same candle you got?
Yeah. Didn't you get one?
No.
Those are new.
Oh, yeah. It's pretty cute.
$12.
$12. It's very cute.
I'm not a fan of the pattern, seeing it in person.
Really? $88. I like it. It's very safari. Why is the cave hissing?
I thought it was just because there was benches under here.
It's a cave. The cave is closed.
The cave is closed.
Ah! Beach.
There it is. Green.
Green. What's your favorite?
This is Magic Kingdom, so a bunch of people are going to be getting.
Buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz, buzz. Pew pew. People remember how to do this. Get Galactic Hero. Mister, it's not working. Somehow beat me.
This is the TTA Blue Line, non-stop service around Tomorrowland.
Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Never looking in the right place. Never looking in the right place.
I looked in the opposite direction.
Yeah, you did. Jeez. So very epic.
Yeah, I enjoyed the epic soundtrack to the walk up.
Yeah. We're not messing around. Come on. Send one out. Just wait here. Aha!
Prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Ah, good timing.
I almost wonder if they do it on purpose.
Well, yeah. How long do you think that took? 15?
Not even.
Yeah. 40-minute posted wait, just to point that out. Mine train in the dark. In the dark.
Always fun.
It gets wild.
Except they're doing it in time, not opposite each other.
What?
Talking about the
I'm good.
Very good.
Well,
That was productive.
yep.
You can see NCRT up there. Sad.
Same
And they got the castle open so we can cut through. Haha. Home sweet home. Up, up. Up. There he is.
Well,
Up, up. I'm gonna kick off my shoes.
what did you say? Sprite and
Popcorn.
Star Wars popcorn.
Mhm.
Whatever it's called.
Star Wars popcorn. I'm going to put on my pajamas. I'm going to get into bed. Say goodnight. Hello? I said say goodnight.
Not ready to go back? Good night.